Scientists have discovered water on a planet outside our solar system that could be suitable for life. This is what they think the super Earth, known as K2-18b, catchy, looks like. Scientists have found water vapor in the exoplanet's atmosphere, even clouds, meaning, it might even be raining there right now. Joining us is Paul Delaney. He's a professor of physics and astronomy at York University. Welcome back to Your Morning.
Good morning.
So this planet, we should say, first of all, was found back at 2015. What they've just discovered is the water.
That's right.
So, how did they find it?
So K2 stands for Kepler-2, the extended Kepler satellites mission, and was the 18th exoplanet it found. So yeah, we've known about that for about 4 years, but there were a couple of groups, one in Montreal, another group over in England, that used the Hubble Space Telescope to probe the planet and see whether or not it first had an atmosphere. And once they confirmed it had an atmosphere, they began to sort of tease apart what was in the atmosphere, and now they've found definitive signs of water vapor.
So what does this mean?
Well, I mean, we've got a planet which is in the habitable zone around its parent star. So the planetary surface temperature is sort of -50 to +50 Celsius. That should sound familiar. That's more or less what it is here on Earth.
Wow.
Now that we've got an atmosphere, means that water vapor could condense on the surface. We're now talking the possibility of lakes and oceans. Now you're talking about the right ingredients for life to develop. We don't know that life is there, but we've now put the right ingredients together in one place, and you can bet that there's a lot more observations being made of this particular exoplanet.
Very exciting. How else is it similar to Earth?
Okay, so it's about twice the diameter, probably about 8 times the mass. So it's what we call a super Earth. So it's a little larger, slightly larger gravitational field and so on. But nonetheless, we're fairly confident that it is a rocky world, so you could walk around on the surface. We really don't know how thick the atmosphere is. I mean, there's only so much that the Hubble Space Telescope can tell us. Is it a thin atmosphere like us, or is it a thicker atmosphere like Venus? We don't know at the moment. We don't even know how much water vapor is there. But the fact is that there is water vapor in an atmosphere around a rocky world. So that's a big deal as far as exoplanetary researchers are concerned and astrobiologists are concerned. They're happy to see this.
So we're still a long way from it, showing up in a tie like yours with no name attached.
Absolutely. No Club Med destination just yet, okay? But it's there for us to now probe, and if there's one, it's likely that there's going to be more.
What excites you most about news like this, Paul?
I mean, the sheer fact that the universe keeps telling us the sorts of things we want to hear. I mean, we've always thought that there were exoplanets around stars, but we only found the first one like about 30 years ago, less than that. And now we're expecting to find atmospheres. Now we're finding atmospheres. We're hoping to find water vapor. We're now finding water vapor. So all the things that we're expecting to find, we are turning into reality, which is what astronomy is supposed to do. Take, speculation and fiction into fact, and that to me is really, really exciting stuff.
Well, you always make us excited about it as well. Thanks for coming in today.
No problem.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.